In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize WP Travel Engine for one activity in a super direct and to-the-point manner. We'll streamline this process step by step so you can enhance your website's performance efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to your domain.com/wp-admin. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, we'll move on to creating your activity. To get started with creating the activity, head to the WP Travel Engine section of your WordPress dashboard. In the menu, hover over Activities and click on Add New. This will open up a new page where you'll input all the essential details of your activity. Now it's time to give your activity a name, description, and other vital information like duration and price. Make sure these details are clear and informative to engage potential visitors. Don't forget to upload a featured image that visually represents your activity and will catch the eye of website visitors. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, go ahead and click Publish to make your activity live on your site. Next, we'll link this activity to a specific trip. Navigate to the Trips section of the WP Travel Engine and click on All Trips. From here, find the trip you want to link with your activity and click Edit. Within this trip's settings, look for the Activities section. Here, select the activity you've just created. After linking the activity, hit the Update button to save your changes. To enhance the booking process, let's simplify the booking form. Head over to WP Travel Engine Settings and select Booking Form. Here, you can disable any unnecessary fields to keep only the essentials that pertain to the single activity. This ensures a smoother user experience for your potential clients. Finally, you'll want to showcase your activity on the homepage, so more visitors find it easily. To do this, you can use shortcodes like WP Travel Engine Search or WP Travel Engine Trips. These shortcodes help display search forms or activities directly on your homepage. You can filter the display settings to show only your newly created single activity if needed. Now it's vital to test everything. Visit your trip page to ensure your activity is selected by default. Try booking the activity yourself to verify that the booking process works smoothly and all settings are accurate. By following these steps, you're optimizing the WP Travel Engine for a singular activity, offering a streamlined experience to your users. This optimization not only improves user interaction, but can also potentially increase your bookings and website efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing!